Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now, in our previous class of the textbook, in the 6th chapter, we have discussed about the puzzle box. I have given you some words and I have explained you that you have to find out those words in the puzzle box. Today, children, we are going to learn about the adverbs. Okay, the exercises related to the adverbs. Before going to the exercises, you should all know about the adverb. What is an adverb, children? Adverb is a word which adds something to a verb. The word which adds something to a verb. The word which adds something to a verb is known as adverb. Okay, and what is that something, Nana? How the work is done, when the work is done, and where the work is done. Okay, how the work is done, it is explained as you adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Okay, and when the work is done, we can explain it by adverbs of time. And where ante place kada, adverbs of place. Now let us take one example. In this chapter they have explained us about adverbs of manner. అంటే ఒక పని ఎలా చేశాడు అనేది adverb of manner. Suppose Nana, I am writing here on the board. How is my writing? Teacher writes clearly or teacher wrote clearly. How the teacher wrote? Teacher wrote clearly. Here the word clearly, teacher wrote clearly. Here the word clearly explains us about the adverb. Okay, children, ఎలా చేసింది, ఎలా రాసింది teacher. Teacher wrote clearly. So clearly is a word, Nana, which tells us about the adverbs of manner, how the work is done. So the words which denotes how the work is done is known as adverbs of manner. And we can say adverbs of manner describes the way the work has been done. Okay, how? Now in our next exercise on page number 85, children, they have given you match the adjectives. A Roman 85 page, they gave some words, adjective ichadu, adverb ichadu, match cheyamannadu. Suppose they gave shy, brave, they gave third one happy, fourth one they gave soft, fifth one they gave angry, sixth one they gave beautiful, seventh one they gave noisy. Okay, in this way they have given us adjectives and they told us to match, and they gave the words angrily, noisily. So I am giving the correct answer, Nana. Shy, shyly. Answer, shyly. Brave, bravely. And writing the correct answers, children. Brave, bravely. Happy, happily. And framing the correct adverb. Soft, softly. Angry, angrily. Okay, beautiful, beautifully, beautifully. Next, noisy. They gave noisily. Noisy, noisily. So see children, From the given adjectives, I have written here the adverb. Okay. Shy, shyly. Brave, bravely. Happy, happily. Soft, softly. Angry, angrily. Beautiful, beautifully. Noisy, noisily. Okay. Next, children, in the B Roman, they gave the blanks, Nana. They gave the words in the bracket and they told us to write, complete the sentence, changing the adjective in the bracket into the adverb. Ante bracket la adjective ichadu, mimmalni dentlo marchamanadu. What they told to us? They told to us to change it into adverb. First blank. Vicky looked outside at the rain and said dash sad, and said sadly. Okay, sadly. Why can't we do something exciting? Next, the second one, children. Mummy said dash excited, let's make a cake. Excitedly. Mummy said excitedly. Mummy said excitedly. The rain drummed loudly. The rain drummed loudly against the windows. The lion sniffed hungrily. The lion sniffed hungrily. H-U-N-G-R-I-L-Y. Hungrily. The lion sniffed hungrily. Next, children, the lion left the house quietly. The lion left the house quietly. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y. Quietly. Coming to the sixth one, children. Eagerly. E-A-G-E-R-L-Y. Eagerly. So in this way, children, I have changed the given adjective into the adverb. Now here they gave us to make the adjectives, Nana. Adjectives they gave, they told us to frame the adverbs of manner in this way. Language skills. Regarding the language skills they gave us, children, if you can observe clearly, I will discuss with you this exercise also. Given on page number 86, Amma. This one all page number 85 we have discussed. Now let us discuss the page number 86 given to you. Now see page number 86. First one, they gave soft, softly. Rough. What you can write out about rough, Nana? Roughly. Rough ki adverb em rayochu? Roughly. Okay. Next, what we have to give, Nana? Smooth. Smooth. What we can write? Smoothly. Here all we have added ly. Smoothly. Ardhamautunda? Next, Nana. Next type. Second type. They gave noise. Here we have to remove y. The word ends with y. We have to remove y and we have to add ily. Suppose noisy. N-O-I-S-Y. Noisy. Noisily. N-O-I-S-I-L-Y. Noisily. Okay. Next one. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. What we can write? Happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Happily. And the next word, children, angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. What we can write about angry? Angrily. A-N-G-R-I-L-Y. Angrily. Okay. And the third type, children, the word ends with L. and before L if there is a vowel U, FUL to. Careful undanko, we have to add again ly. Carefully, carefully. Next they gave thoughtful, thoughtfully, thoughtfully. Okay, next they gave awful, awful, awfully. Okay, so in this way Nana, we have learned 3 types of the adverbs, how we can frame. And the next children, they gave the blank summa. The mother carefully lifted her cub from the grass. The cub opened his eyes. The mother listened keenly for any sign of danger and walked towards her den. The cub, swinging from his mother's jaw, looked dazedly at his new surrounding. Together the mother and the cub moved silently to the den. The other cubs, in the pride, looked at their brother curiously. Playfully they ran to the lioness and sniffed the new cub. And here they have been given us, choose the correct answer. First one, temptingly, delicately, quietly. I peed carefully into the ticket booth. The guard was snoring softly. I gulped the cake down quickly. So in this way, we have completed the exercises given to us here. Okay. Now, children, tomorrow, after finishing this chapter, you once revise all the exercises given to you. We will discuss about the poem I Had a Done. Okay. Tomorrow I will discuss the poem, revise the exercises related to the chapter. Have a nice day all of you.